You don't need an expensive camera to start uploading videos on your YouTube channel. All you need is just your smartphone and you are good to go to shoot high quality videos for your YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 simple steps to create good videos with just your smartphone. The first thing you need to do before you go ahead to start making a video for your YouTube channel is to choose a background. While choosing your background, you have to consider 2 things, and the first thing is lighting. It is important to shoot your video in a well-lit environment. You can either use an artificial light or you use a natural light. The artificial light is the ring light or the softbox. You can use that to make your videos to give it good lighting. But if you cannot afford the artificial lighting, you can simply use the natural lighting by making your videos during the day, sitting in front of your window and creating your content. It is very important that your video is very bright and not too dark and blurry. The next thing you need to consider when choosing your background is your audio. It's important to make your videos in a quiet environment so that your audience will get to hear you clearly and they will not be distracted by the noise in the background. The next thing to do is to set up your shot, and to do this, the first thing you need to do is to get a tripod stand to give your phone stability. And if you don't have a tripod stand, you can simply look for a stable platform, place your phone on it before you go ahead to start creating your videos. The next thing to do when setting up your shoot is to use your back camera instead of your front camera. The reason why it is important to use your back camera is because the back camera is clearer than the front camera. So using the back camera is going to help you to connect to your audience more, because when you are using the front camera to make your videos, you'll be tempted to look at yourself on the screen, and doing this is going to disconnect you from your audience. So I'm going to be illustrating this real fast. So now I'm looking at myself on the screen because my lens is currently facing me. As you can see, I am not looking at you directly. I'm disconnected from you. So now I'm going to fix my eyes back to my lens and I'm connected back to you. So if you're using the front camera to make your video, you'll be tempted to look at yourself on the screen. So to avoid that, it is very important that you use your back camera to make your videos when you are shooting your YouTube video with just your phone. If there's nobody around to help you set the camera, if you're using your back camera to make your content, all you need to do is to mount the camera, click on record, go back to your seat and make a 5 to 10 seconds video. Then you go back to your camera to watch it. If it is not okay, you come back to adjust it. You keep doing that until you get what you want. So once you have your camera set up, the next step is to set your camera on your phone. And to get high quality and good video when creating your content, you need to shoot your video in 4K or 1080p to have a good quality video when creating your content. Once you're done setting up your camera, the next step is to set up your audio also. It is important to have a very good and clear audio when shooting your videos with just your smartphone. A good audio is going to keep people watching your content, but a bad audio is going to make people to click off in no time, thereby making YouTube not to recommend your content to more viewers. So if you are shooting your YouTube video without a microphone, you're going to be sounding like this. So with my mic turned off, I'm sounding like I'm talking from afar. So this is how you're going to be sounding if you make your video without a mic connected to your phone. So I'm going to go ahead to turn on my mic so that you will see the difference between this and when I'm using a mic. So now I have my microphone on and you can hear me clearly. So there's a difference between when you are talking without a microphone and when you are talking to a microphone. So there are so many cheap microphones out there you can invest on as a beginner to give your videos good audio. So basically these are the simple setups you need before you go ahead to start shooting your YouTube videos. So here are some few things you need to put in place before you go ahead to start filming your video. The first thing you need to do is to be prepared both physically, emotionally and mentally. The next thing is for you to have your script written. Writing your script is going to keep you in line when making your video. The third thing is for you to keep looking at your lens and not your screen when making your videos so that you can remain connected to your audience. And last but not the least, do not worry about your mistake. Just hit on record and keep filming your video. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to. And also in my next video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to talk to the camera confidently as a beginner. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.